Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the Spark program. Now this is a massive road restoration program. It's a $40 billion program under which the government is going to fix 2,000 roads. Now a lot of progress is going on in Jamaica. Jamaica is in the process of building out an island-wide highway network that goes along the coast and through the island. A lot of progress is being made. Every parish in Jamaica will be connected via a highway. And we don't mean a road that you name a highway, we mean highway quality roads. The kind of roads you see in a first world country. So with that project doing so well, a lot of people have been asking, what about the local roads, your community road, the main road in Kingston? And those roads definitely need help, without a doubt. So the government has the Spark program where they're going to spend $40 billion to fix 2,000 roads. So we're going to go through an article giving you more information on the Spark program. But I just want to point out before we do that, that in addition to the highways being built and in addition to the 2,000 roads being fixed under the Spark program, there is another program called the Capex Program. That program, you're going to have 6 main roads fixed in Jamaica. Those are like major projects. The dualization of Grange Lane, the expansion of Lady Musgrave Road, the building of the overpass into Portmore. Those are not part of the Spark program. The Capex program is it's a different program where the government is going to spend $13 billion to fix 6 roads or to do 6 projects. We have videos up on the Capex program so you can check it out. So yeah, 40 billion on the Spark program, 13 billion, that's 53 billion to fix roads that are not a part of the highway network. So today now we're going to give you some more information on the Spark program. The government is preparing to implement a 40 billion road improvement project to modernize more than 2,000 roads island-wide under the Shared Prosperity through Accelerated Improvement to our Road Network Spark program. The budgeted sum includes fees that will be paid for services outside of the cost for construction. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Honorable Everald Warmington, said the government is moving to ensure that the engine of growth is improved, modernized, and positioned to perform at its optimum. The road network is a backbone of our economy, connecting businesses, industries, and individuals across the length and breadth of the country. This administration considers the intervention as an emergency within the context of road-related injuries and fatalities, as well as the deteriorating state of public thoroughfare resulting from decades of underinvestment, Mr. Warmington said. He was making his contribution to the sectorial debate in the House of Representatives. Mr. Warmington noted that the vision is to create a transport network that is safe, efficient, and reliable to meet Jamaica's economic and social needs. He said the goal is to improve mobility, safety, and accessibility, promote economic development, and enhance the well-being and road experience quality for local communities and businesses. Key objectives of the program include improving the targeted road surfaces and intersections along targeted urban corridors, installing localized drainage, culverts, etc., improving road safety through the construction of retaining walls and installation of guardrails, and installing pedestrian facilities at selected locations. The expected outcomes include improved road safety, better localized drainage, and reduced travel time, vehicle operating costs, and motor vehicle carbon emissions. Mr. Warmington explained that 6 criteria will determine the roads which receive attention under the program. And then they go through a list of the different parishes that will get the funds. Okay, so the minister informed that on the initiative, the preliminary parish breakdown of expenditure will be as follows: Kingston 2 billion, St Andrew 2.9 billion, St Catherine 4.2 billion, St Thomas 1.2 billion, Manchester 1.2 billion, St Elizabeth 1.5 billion, Clarendon 4 billion, Portland 1 billion, St Mary 3 billion, St Anne 3 billion, Hanover 2.5 billion, St James 2 billion, Trelawney 1.8 billion, and Westmoreland 2 billion. So it seems as if St. Catherine is getting the most money at 4.2 billion. Actually, they broke Kingston and St Andrew into two, but if you add up Kingston and St Andrew, you're looking at 4.9 billion, because most people don't know where Kingston ends and St Andrew starts. So actually it's Kingston and St Andrew that's going to get 4.9 billion, which is the largest amount. So Kingston and St Andrew, then St Catherine, and then Clarendon. So that is the update on this program. Now, they didn't give an exact date as to when it's going to start, but they said soon. So we will keep you guys updated on this program. And they did give some dates for the Capex program, and that program should start in the next fiscal year. So I'm sure this program will start very soon, because we all know, okay, let's not go there. But I'm sure this Spark program will start very soon, because some important events are happening in Jamaica over the next couple of years. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.